If you've been creating content on WordPress and wondering why your site isn't showing up in AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dramatically increase your chances of getting cited by AI search engines using a tool called GEO Optimizer, and more importantly, how this whole AI visibility thing actually works. First, let's talk about the problem. Right now, AI search is exploding. Millions of people are using AI tools instead of traditional search engines to get answers. But here's the catch. Most WordPress websites are completely invisible to these systems. Why? Because your content might be written for humans, but not structured for AI. AI tools look for very specific things: clear, direct answers, structured content like FAQs, schema markup, and crawlable access via bots. If your site doesn't have these, AI simply skips over you and cites someone else. Now, this is where GEO Optimizer comes in. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization, basically optimizing your content for AI instead of just Google. This WordPress plugin claims to handle everything automatically, and while it's not magic, it does simplify a lot of important steps. Let me break down how it works. Step 1. You install the plugin like any normal WordPress plugin. No coding, no complicated setup. Once it's activated, you connect your API key, usually from an AI provider, and you're ready to go. Step 2. Enable AI crawler access. Most websites unknowingly block AI bots like GPT-bot or Claude-bot in their robots.txt file. With one toggle, GEO Optimizer allows these bots to crawl your site. Now, this doesn't guarantee you'll get cited, but it's a necessary first step. If AI can't see your content, it can't use it. Step 3. Add structure to your content. This is where most people fail. GEO Optimizer automatically adds FAQ sections, clear headings, short answer summaries, and schema markup like article and FAQ page. These elements make your content easier for AI to extract and understand. Think of it this way. AI doesn't read like humans. It scans for clean, structured answers. Step 4. Use the AI-ready writer. This is probably the most powerful feature. You select a blog post, click one button, and the tool enhances your content by adding FAQs, improving readability, creating answer capsules, and structuring headings properly. What used to take hours now takes about a minute. Step 5. Generate llms.txt. This is a newer concept, but interesting. It creates a file that tells AI crawlers which pages on your site are most important. Think of it like a sitemap, but specifically for AI tools. Again, not officially standardized, but early adopters are experimenting with it. Now, let's be real for a second. This plugin will not guarantee instant traffic, automatic citations, or viral success. AI tools don't work like traditional search rankings, but what it does do is increase your chances by making your site more accessible, more structured, and more understandable to AI systems, and that's the game right now. So, is it worth it? If you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, niche site owner, or content creator, and you want a faster way to adapt to AI search, then yes, this can save you a ton of time. But remember, content quality still matters more than any plugin. Quick tip before we wrap up. Even if you don't use this plugin, start doing this manually. Answer questions clearly, add FAQ sections, use structured headings, and focus on helpful, direct content. That alone can make a huge difference. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more SEO and AI content, and let me know in the comments, are you already getting traffic from AI tools? See you in the next one.